Blackjack. The name itself crackles with excitement. It's a game of skill, strategy, and just a touch of luck. In the casinos, under the shimmering lights, blackjack tables buzz with anticipation. Players hold their breath, hoping for that perfect hand. The allure? Winning big. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Card counting has a long and fascinating history. It's not a new trick, it's a strategy that has been used by savvy players for decades. Legends like Edward Thorpe, a mathematician and early card counting pioneer, proved its effectiveness. Thorpe's book, Beat the Dealer, became a sensation. It revealed the secrets of card counting to the public, sending shockwaves through the gambling world. Casinos scrambled to adapt, but card counting remained a powerful tool for skilled players. Card counting. It sounds mysterious, almost intimidating, but at its core, it's a simple concept. Every card dealt in blackjack changes the composition of the deck. High cards are good for the player's chances of getting a blackjack or a strong hand. Card counting is about keeping track of these subtle shifts in probability. How do you keep track of all these cards? You don't need a photographic memory. Card counting systems simplify the process by assigning values to different cards. The most common system, high-low, is surprisingly straightforward. In high-low, low cards, 2 to 6, are assigned a value of +1. High cards, 10 to ace, are assigned a value of -1. The middle cards, 7 to 9, have a value of 0. As cards are dealt, you keep a running tally in your head. A positive count means more low cards have been dealt, tilting the odds in your favor. A negative count means more high cards are left in the deck, favoring the dealer. Card counting is often shrouded in misconceptions. Let's debunk some of the most common myths. Myth number 1, card counting is illegal. Card counting is not illegal. It's simply using your brain to gain an advantage in a game of chance. Myth number 2, you need to memorize every card. This is a Hollywood myth. Card counting systems don't require perfect memory. Myth number 3, card counting guarantees you'll win every time. Card counting is not a foolproof system. The high-low system stands as a testament to the power of simplicity in the world of card counting. It's the most popular system for a reason. It's easy to learn and remarkably effective. The beauty of high-low lies in its straightforward card values. Low cards, 2 to 6, are assigned a value of +1. High cards, 10 to ace, get a value of -1. And the neutral cards, 7 to 9, they get a big fat 0. As you watch the cards fly across the felt, you'll keep a running tally in your head. This running count is your compass, guiding your bets and decisions throughout the game. Mastering the running count is the first and most crucial step in your high-low journey. It's the foundation upon which your entire card counting strategy rests. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it might seem. With a bit of practice, you'll be rattling off running counts like a seasoned pro. Start by finding a quiet spot where you can focus. Grab a deck of cards, or even 2, and start dealing them out one by one, face up. As each card hits the table, announce its corresponding high-low value. Keep a running tally in your head as you go. The key is to keep practicing. The running count is a valuable tool, but it only tells part of the story. To gain a true edge in blackjack, you need to factor in the number of decks remaining in the shoe. This is where the true count comes into play. Calculating the true count is a simple matter of division. Take your current running count and divide it by the estimated number of decks remaining in the shoe. The true count is your key indicator when it comes to making betting decisions. A high true count signals a player-favorable deck composition. Conversely, a low or negative true count suggests a less advantageous deck. The world of card counting is not for the faint of heart. It requires dedication, discipline, and a healthy dose of practice. One of the best ways to practice is to simply grab a deck of cards and start counting. Deal out hand after hand, meticulously tracking the running count and calculating the true count. As you gain experience, try varying the number of decks you use to simulate different casino conditions. If you're looking for a more interactive learning experience, consider using card-counting apps or online simulators. Once you feel confident, take your newfound knowledge to the casino or your next friendly game of blackjack. The world of blackjack is filled with strategies, each with its unique approach to outsmarting the house. While the high-low system often takes center stage, another contender has been gaining popularity, the knockout or KO system. What sets the KO system apart? Imagine a card-counting method that streamlines the process, eliminating the need for complex calculations. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it an ideal starting point for those new to card counting. The KO system, like its high-low counterpart, relies on assigning values to cards as they're dealt. Low cards, 2 through 7, are assigned a value of +1, while high cards, 10 through ace, get a value of -1. The middle cards, 8 and 9, are assigned a value of 0. The KO system's streamlined approach offers several distinct advantages. One of its most appealing features is its simplicity. With just 2 card values to remember, +1 and -1, mastering the KO count becomes a breeze. It also eliminates the need for true count conversions. In the KO system, the running count is all you need to make informed betting decisions. This simplicity translates into faster decision-making at the blackjack table. The KO system's accuracy is still significant, providing a tangible edge over simply playing blackjack blind. While the KO system shines as a beacon of simplicity, it's essential to acknowledge its potential drawbacks. One common criticism is its reduced accuracy compared to more complex methods, especially in games involving multiple decks. The lack of a true count conversion can lead to slightly less precise betting decisions. Seasoned card counters might find this aspect of the KO system somewhat limiting. The KO system's simplicity can become a double-edged sword for those seeking to push their card-counting skills to the limit. As your understanding of blackjack strategy deepens, you might yearn for a system that offers greater precision. In such cases, transitioning to a more advanced system might be the next logical step. The world of card counting is like a vast ocean, with depths yet to be explored. While the high-low and KO systems serve as excellent starting points, those seeking to navigate the high seas of blackjack mastery will find themselves drawn to more advanced systems. These systems offer seasoned card counters a level of precision and control that can unlock even greater advantages. Advanced card counting systems like Omega 2 and Wong halves provide a deeper understanding of the game's underlying mathematics. They allow for more precise betting and playing decisions. These systems demand a solid foundation in basic card counting principles and a commitment to rigorous practice. If you're up for the challenge, the rewards can be substantial. Section 2. Omega 2. Precision Counting. The Omega 2 system, developed by Bryce Carlson, offers precision in card counting. Unlike simpler systems, Omega 2 assigns values from +2 to -2. This complexity captures subtle shifts in deck composition. Mastering Omega 2 requires significant practice and mental effort. Players must recall values, perform calculations, and maintain focus. Section 3. Wong halves. Navigating fractional values. The Wong halves system, developed by Stanford Wong, introduces fractional values to card counting. Cards are assigned values like +0.5 and -0.5, adding complexity and precision. This system captures subtle shifts in deck composition, offering unparalleled insight. However, mastering it requires intense focus and mental agility. Players must juggle fractions and maintain an accurate running count, all while staying calm amidst casino distractions. Section 1. The legality of skill. The world of casinos is often shrouded in mystery. Card counting occupies a curious space, both celebrated and shunned. Is card counting legal? Yes, it's perfectly legal. It's not cheating, it's using your brain. You're not manipulating cards or using devices, just observing and acting on available information. But casinos can refuse service. They're not in the business of giving away money. They're aware of card counting and adept at identifying counters. You won't be arrested for counting cards, but you might be escorted out. Section 2. Outsmarting the casino. Casinos are designed to disorient you, but skilled card counters use this to their advantage. Blend in, avoid detection, and make gradual bet adjustments. Dress casually, act naturally, and vary your play style. Master nonchalance and maintain a poker face. Section 1. Mastering the game. Card counting. It's a skill that takes time, practice, and a cool head. We've explored the basics, the strategies, and the subtle art of staying under the casino's radar. But remember, card counting is a journey, not a destination. Start with the basics. Master the high-low system. Then explore more advanced methods like Omega-2 and Wong halves. Practice at home, use online simulators, and start small at the casinos. It's about understanding the math, the odds, and using that knowledge to make smarter bets. But always remember to play responsibly. Card counting can give you an edge, but it's not a guarantee of riches. So go forth, armed with knowledge and a thirst for the thrill of the game. May your counts be high, your bets strategic, and your wins legendary. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Good luck at the tables.